Did you know a president's pet parrot got kicked out of his own funeral for cursing like a sailor? That president was Andrew Jackson, the fiery 7th U.S. leader known for his tough frontier spirit. In his later years at the Hermitage Plantation, Jackson adopted an African gray parrot named Pole. Pole wasn't your average pet. Jackson, with his sailor's mouth, taught the bird a whole arsenal of swear words. The parrot picked it up fast, squawking profanities that shocked Jackson's proper Southern guests at dinner parties. Jackson loved it, laughing off complaints, but Pole's vocabulary grew wilder with every frontier tale Jackson shared. Then came June 8, 1845. Jackson passed away at 78, and thousands mourned the Old Hickory hero. At the funeral service inside the mansion, Pole was brought in as a final tribute to his beloved owner. But as the Reverend eulogized Jackson's virtues, Pole suddenly erupted in a storm of colorful curses. The room froze in shock. Ladies fainted. Gentlemen blushed, as Pole unleashed words unfit for polite society. Horrified, Jackson's aides grabbed Pole and hustled him outside, ending the parrot's profane farewell forever. True story. Pole lived on quietly, a feathered reminder of Jackson's unfiltered, unbreakable spirit.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.